Welcome. What you see is the amazing cinematic mode from the iPhone 13 Pro. And yes, it is amazing. And many people try to show it, to demonstrate it on YouTube like I do. But what they do wrong is when they hold their phone in a hand or in a gimbal, they try to show that they are able to focus on the goal. Yes, they are. But the problem is when you tip on your display while you're taking the video, it's wobbling and shaking. And then you think as a viewer, what the fuck, is this the iPhone 13 Pro? Yes, but you can do it different. For example, like this, change the focus, or this, back to me, or again, this, and this. And it works like magic. I didn't touch the phone. The magic word for this is post-production. You take the phone, you open iMovie, it's a free app from Apple, great by the way. And then you just pick the moment, the person or the thing that has to be focused for you, what you want, you can do it. It's pretty cool. It takes only seconds and then it looks like this. And this looks more like a pro production or iPhone. You know what I mean? I think you know what I mean. And then when you're filming something, let's say there are many people in the room, party, whatever. It is enough light and you are taking a film and then you see that there's somebody not in the focus, but you would like to have him in the focus. Don't panic. You can do it afterwards because when you pick the person while you're taking this video, it's wobbling and shaking. This is not what you want. What you want is a pro looking video for yourself and your friends and maybe for YouTube for 1,000 million people of the world. So do us a favor, don't touch your display while you're filming, and then you're doing it right. Okay, so I hope I could help. If it was a help for you, then guess what? Like this video. Otherwise, forget it. So I hope to see you all in my next video. Have a great day, night, whatever. So, Servus from Bavaria, Germany.